हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ द 2 लिस्ट ऑफ शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स आज हम करेंगे लिस्ट 3 ऑफ शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स. द फॉलोइंग शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स डू नॉट अकर इन लिस्ट ऑफ 10,000 कॉमनेस्ट वर्ड्स. जो सेकंड लिस्ट थी वो क्या थी? 10,000 कॉमनेस्ट वर्ड्स में से ली गई लिस्ट थी और ये लिस्ट जो है उस लिस्ट में से नहीं ली गई है. Abandonment, B with N hook on the line, D through the line, M halved here with N hook through the line. Administratrix, D on the line, M on the line, K on the line with S circle. Amalgamate, M with L hook on the line with another M halved here for the sake of T. Amalgamation, M stroke with L hook, another M stroke with shun hook on the line. Arbitrate, downward R on the line, TR halved here for the sake of T. Arbitrator, downward R on the line, TR doubled here for the sake of TER. Attainment, T on the line, M halved here with N hook on the line. Circumstantial, S circle, T on the line, N stroke on the line. Upward ish with L hook is used here. Contingency, T on the line, N stroke on the line, J through the line, S stroke through the line. Cross examination, KR stroke with S circle with G stroke above the line. Cross examine, cross examined, KR with S circle with G above the line. Denomination, denominational, D on the line, N stroke with shun hook intersect here above the line. Destructive, D on the line with S circle with TR with V hook through the line. Destructively, D on the line, S circle, TR through the line with V with L hook is used here. Enlarger, N stroke above the line, J with R hook intersect here above the line. Enlightenment, N stroke with L hook above the line, T on the line, M halved here with N hook on the line. Executrix, K stroke with S circle with another K stroke with another S circle on the line. Exigency, K stroke above the line with S circle with J on the line with S stroke through the line. Extinguish or extinguished, K stroke above the line, S circle, T on the line, NG stroke on the line. Falsification, F stroke on the line, downward L is used here with S circle with shun curl. Familiarization, F stroke on the line, M stroke on the line, S circle, shun curl is used here. Familiarize, F stroke on the line, M stroke on the line, upward R stroke with S circle is used here. Generalization, J stroke with NS circle with shun curl is used here. Henceforward, H stroke on the line, N stroke with S circle with F stroke on the line with V halved here. Howsoever, upward H on the line with S circle with V on the line. Imperturbable, M stroke above the line, PR halved here on the line and upward R is used here. Inconsiderate, N stroke above the line, S circle, D on the line, upward R is halved here. Informer, N stroke above the line, F stroke on the line, M stroke with R hook on the line. Intelligible, intelligibly, N stroke halved here, J stroke on the line, BL stroke through the line. Irrecoverable, irrecoverably, downward R on the line, K on the line with V hook. Irremovable, irremovably, downward R on the line, intersect it with M stroke above the line, BL stroke through the line. Irrespective, downward R on the line, S circle, P with V hook through the line. Irrespectively, downward R on the line, S circle, P through the line, V with L hook through the line. Irresponsible, irresponsibility, downward R on the line, S circle, P with NS circle through the line. Magnetic, magnetism, M stroke above the line, G stroke above the line. Mathematical, mathematically, M stroke above the line, ith stroke on the line. Mathematician, M stroke above the line, ith stroke on the line, T stroke with shun hook through the line. Metropolitan, M stroke half Dheer, upward R on the line, P stroke on the line. Obstruction, B stroke on the line, S circle, TR with shun hook through the line. Light dash on the first place of B is used here. Obstructive, B stroke on the line, S circle, TR with V hook through the line. Light dash on the first place of P before it. Oneself, way on the line, S circle, upward L with F above the line is used here. Organizer, downward R, gay on the line, S circle with upward R is used here. Performer, P on the line, upward R, F stroke on the line, M with R hook is used here. Perpendicular, P on the line, upward R, another P on the line. Perspective, P on the line, upward R with S circle with another P with V hook on the line. Proficient, proficiently, proficiency, P with R hook with F hook with upward ish is used here on the line. Proportionate, proportionately, PR on the line, another P through the line, upward R is used here. Prospectus, P with R hook on the line with S circle with K with S circle. Recoverable, upward R with K stroke with V hook is used here. Reformer, upward R, F stroke on the line, M with R hook on the line. Relinquish, relinquished, upward R, downward L on the line, NG stroke on the line. Remonstrance, downward R on the line, M stroke with N hook with STR with NS circle through the line. Remonstrate, downward R on the line, M stroke on the line with N hook with STR half Dheer. Removable, downward R on the line, M stroke on the line, BL stroke through the line. Reproduction, upward R on the line, PR stroke on the line, D stroke with shun hook through the line. Retrospect, upward R on the line, TR stroke on the line with S circle with P through the line. Retrospection, upward R on the line, TR stroke on the line, S circle, P with shun hook through the line. Retrospective, upward R on the line, TR stroke on the line, S circle, P with V hook through the line. Signification, S circle, gaze stroke, shun hook above the line. Stringency, STR on the line, N stroke on the line, J stroke through the line, S stroke through the line. Subjection, S circle, B stroke with shun hook on the line. Subjective, S circle, B stroke, V hook on the line. Thenceforward, D on the line, N stroke on the line, S circle with F stroke through the line with way halved here. Unanimity, Y stroke on the line, N stroke, another N stroke above the line. Universality, Y stroke on the line, alternative form of VR on the line, S circle, upward L, T on the line. Unprincipled, N stroke on the line, PR stroke cut here on the line. Whensoever, when on the line with S circle with V stroke through the line. Whereinsoever, a V stroke on the line with upward R with N stroke with S circle with V stroke is used here. Wheresoever, V stroke on the line with upward R with S circle with V stroke above the line. Whithersoever, V stroke through the line with S circle with V stroke through the line. So this is the last third list of this book. This book is completes today. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. Okay students, thanks for watching this video. Share, drop a like, subscribe the channel.